Get ready to dive into 5 groundbreaking open-source AI projects that are transforming the future of tech right before your eyes. From next-level Wi-Fi sensing to AI agent orchestration and instant app creation, this video reveals the cutting-edge tools you can't afford to miss. Number 1. Vibevoice. This is a sentence to help alignment. Want to turbocharge your productivity with AI that can transform your computer into a voice-powered machine? Like write control, speak, and watch your words instantly appear as typed text anywhere, in your browser, code editor, or chat app. Now, here's the kicker. Vibevoice isn't just dictation. You press scroll lock, speak a task or question, and your AI assistant responds right into your current app using both your spoken input and a screenshot of your screen for perfect context. Speech-to-text model locally for fast, private dictations, and taps powerful multimodal LLMs like Gemma 3 via llama for voice commands, so your requests stay secure. Set up Python and any dependencies, think CUDA for GPU boost, plus llama for AI power, and run the Python CLI. You can customize hotkeys, choose which LLM model to use, or even tweak screenshot size. AI on your channel. Vibevoice is the ultimate game-changer. Type by talking, control apps with your voice, and get genuinely smart AI interactions on any computer, all running 100 locally. Number 2. Awesome vibe coding. This is a sentence to help alignment. Ready for something that will blow your mind and hook your audience? Your personal treasure map to the future of AI-powered coding. A meticulously curated collection of the hottest resources, tools, and communities powering the vibe coding revolution, where you code less and create more by collaborating with generative AI. Just describe what you want, and AI agents, browser-based builders, and smart plugins generate the code, apps, or even entire products for you. Agent-powered IDEs, browser and mobile tools like Bolt.new and Lovable, to next-level coding assistants like Cursor, GitHub Copilot, and Gemini CLI, plus open-source local solutions for privacy and control. To the repo itself, but it links you to the major ones transforming coding: Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and more, along with revolutionary agent-based plugins. On the repo, browse its README, and dive into the links. It's all about unlocking new coding powers and exploring what happens when the human imagination meets AI superpowers. And grabs tech enthusiasts, showcase how vibe coding lets anyone build, innovate, and automate faster than ever. No code mastery required, just ideas and vibes. Number 3. OpenCoder-llm. This is a sentence to help alignment. Want to hook your viewers with the next big thing in AI coding? It's designed for building, training, and running cutting-edge coding. Large language models, LLMs, completely in the open. Family, featuring both 1.5B and 8B parameter models that support English and Chinese, rivaling the world's best code-generating AIs. What's absolutely wild? OpenCoder doesn't just share model weights. It dishes out the full recipe. Data cleaning pipelines, huge supervised code datasets, synthetic datasets for training, multiple ablation studies, and every stage of their model checkpoints. Start by grabbing the GitHub repo, setting up your Python environment with GPU drivers if you want speedy inference, and following their step-by-step instructions to download models and datasets from Hugging Face. The models leverage advanced architectures and are trained on trillions of tokens, making them robust for code generation, reasoning, and learning from both raw and curated web code. Locally for ultimate privacy and control. The repo also includes a rigorous evaluation framework so you can put these LLMs to the test. How OpenCoder finally puts top-tier generative coding power in everyone's hands: open, reproducible, and blazing fast. Number 4. mlx-omni-server. This is a sentence to help alignment. It's on Apple Silicon devices with mlx-omni-server, an open-source local inference server designed to run seamlessly on M1 to M4 chips, making it a perfect drop-in replacement for OpenAI's cloud services, but fully local to your Mac, ensuring blazing fast responses with powerful hardware acceleration and full privacy since all processing happens on your machine. The repository from GitHub, and then set up your environment using Python with the necessary dependencies optimized for Apple's MLX framework. locally, and it instantly supports a wide range of AI capabilities, including chat completions, image generation, text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and text embeddings, and calling, structured output, and streaming responses, all compatible with OpenAI's SDKs, so your current apps work without a hitch. It's like Gemma and Llama 3 variants optimized for 4-bit precision, alongside powerful TTS and STT models such as Lucas Newman 5th mlx and MLX Whisper, giving you a state-of-the-art, privacy-first AI assistant on your laptop. Blends the convenience of OpenAI's API design with Apple's custom hardware, unlocking local AI inferencing that's fast, flexible, and customizable. AI enthusiasts eager to break free from cloud dependency while still accessing bleeding-edge AI capabilities in an EasyTouse package. Setup, Apple Silicon optimization, and the freedom of running multiple AI tasks entirely offline with official OpenAI-compatible tooling making it the ultimate AI platform for Mac users who want speed, privacy, and power all in one. Dive in and ignite your creativity with the future of AI right on your Mac. Number 5. Parlant. This is a sentence to help alignment. Do what you tell them. No more guesswork, no hallucinations, and rock-solid consistency. That's exactly what Parlant delivers. The biggest headache AI developers face: unreliable large language model (LLM) behavior when dealing with real users. Instead of hoping your AI will follow complex prompts, Parlant lets you teach principles using natural language guidelines. You start by cloning the GitHub repository and setting up your environment by creating a Python virtual environment with all dependencies optimized for smooth operation. Once installed, you create rules that clearly define how your agent behaves in different situations, attach custom tools like APIs or databases, and build precise conversational journeys that guide users perfectly. It's like Gemini and OpenAI models, enhancing your AI's intelligence and contextual understanding, stop hallucinations, and ensure consistent style, full explainability to track decision-making, and a React widget for instant chat UIs. Or e-commerce agents behave reliably from day one, letting you scale AI production with confidence. In minutes, fully controlled and customized, making it a game changer your YouTube viewers will love. If you like this video, make sure to hit subscribe, like, and drop a comment below.